One of the necessary tools you need to survive and thrive in med school is a stethoscope. It will probably be required from your first or second year, so choosing the right one early on is vital. And if you want to earn yourself one for free, keep watching this video to the end. Welcome back. So today we are going to talk about the top 3 stethoscopes for medical students that you can consider buying. But before that, let's understand, why should students buy a Littmann stethoscope over any other brand? Investing in a 3M Littmann stethoscope is one of the most sensible choices a medical student can make. Littmann has been a pioneer in superior quality stethoscopes and has introduced many revolutionary features such as ambient noise reduction, tunable diaphragms, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. They are the gold standard for stethoscopes due to their performance and design, making them the most preferred choice for any clinician. A good quality stethoscope would help the student pick up even the most delicate sounds, which would often go unnoticed in a stethoscope of inferior quality. 3M Littmann stethoscopes have proven to be up to 10 times louder than any other stethoscope, making them the most superior stethoscope for acoustic quality. 3M Littmann stethoscopes also have a flexible tubing resisting any kinks or bends to your precious stethoscope. The tube flexes with ease during a clinical examination and thus lasts much longer. They offer symmetrical ear tubes which provide ideal seal and comfort, enabling a student to make multiple assessments and diagnosis without any discomfort during the clinical postings. The material and construction of 3M Littmann stethoscopes are highly durable and resistant to stains and damages. Their latex-free tubing makes them a safer option for students and their patients. Now these stethoscopes are adjustable as the headset tension can be increased by squeezing the ear tubes together and decreased by pulling the ear tubes apart. Investing in the right stethoscope during the early years of a medical student would minimize the expenditure on upgrading to a better one later in the career. A student who has honed their acoustic skills on a superior quality stethoscope would surely help a student to be the best doctor they can be. Furthermore, 3M Littmann stethoscopes are all supplied with a long global warranty. This ensures that you will get prompt service and repairs in case you were to encounter a problem with your stethoscope, or if you were to travel abroad for an MD or any other degree later. Another reason why a lot of students choose Littmann is because it's available in a variety of colors and finishes. Students no longer need to carry a boring grey or black only when they have a wide array of colors available. Since a stethoscope is such a personalized diagnostic tool, it only makes sense to invest in something that is aesthetically pleasing and suited to one's personality. Most physicians and medical students consider their stethoscopes as a prized possession. Hence, engraving your stethoscope is actually a common practice. Not only does engraving reduce the chances of theft and loss of the stethoscope, but it also gives the stethoscope more personalization. Students should always keep in mind that while buying one, they are determining the proficiency of their acoustic skills and their ability to diagnose pathologies effectively. An investment in the right stethoscope is an important decision in the medical career of a student. And having a good head start can make a huge difference as the medical students advance towards the career in medicine.